Around the world, cuisines are generally divided into two. Oriental and Oc foods mean Eastern, and Occidental means Western food. Occidental food includes dishes such as pizza, spaghetti, burgers, roasted chicken, salads, fries, bread, sauces, cakes, pastries, ice cream, and many other items are commonly included in Occidental food. Oriental food includes traditional cuisines such as biryani, karahi, pulao, kheer, halwa, and many other spicy dishes and desserts, each with unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking styles. Oriental food often uses spices, herbs, rice, and vegetables, creating aromatic and flavorful dishes. Occidental food frequently relies on dairy products, meat, bread, and sauces, producing rich and heavier meals. Both types of cuisine provide nourishment and enjoyment. Yet they differ in preparation methods, nutritional value, and presentation. Although they differ in ingredients, cooking methods, and dining styles, they share the common purpose of bringing people together and satisfying human needs. Oriental cuisine emphasizes balance, freshness, and variety, whereas Occidental cuisine focuses on richness, convenience, and presentation. Ultimately, both cuisines complement each other, like two colors on the same plate, adding diversity and flavor to the global culinary world. Fresh ingredients showcase the natural quality of Oriental cuisine. Healthy methods like steaming and stir-frying preserve nutrients. Balanced meals provide. Western food can provide essential nutrients when prepared in a balanced way.
Come here! Subscribe now, watch to leave. Join our learning journey!